Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm here today at the Fraserway RV show in Abbotsford, British Columbia. Their pricing's in Canadian dollars, so keep that in mind. But I'm with two brand new models, 2024 Scout Tuktut, 2024 Scout Yoho. So most people haven't even seen some of the features inside of these campers. So let's take a minute, let's look inside this Tuktut first and show you guys some of the new features and options inside this one. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys the Goal Zero compartment here. This is the power station for this Tuktut. If you add the Goal Zero, it's going to be stored in this little cabinet, so it tucks it away, keeps it tidy. And then you also have the galley option that has your stainless steel sink, some counter space, and a spot to store some cutlery or other gear you want to put underneath the sink. And then along with that, we have the lighting package. We got a light here. You can see the wiring is running this channel here. And then we got this amazing max air fan option, which the other Scouts don't have. It's a good chance I'm going to stick this fan in my own Kenai, because I love this fan. This thing is like, max air fans are sweet. Anyways, portal edge option you guys have seen already. Straps up. You can, this carabiner style, so you can, or I should say mollyboard style, so you can secure bags to it, things like that. This one has the cooler strap down, and then you'd have lots of seating to hang out in here. Diesel heater, thermostats on the wall. We just missed it, but here's your heater. Pretty slick. But let's check out this Yoho. So this thing's super cool. If you look at the light, that's brand new for 2024. This is a hardwired light, so I'll show you the switch inside for this. Super cool little option. And then we'll go inside and have a look here. So one big difference in the 2024s is going to be your Goal Zero compartment. You can see this guy has a little block here, wiring block, so it kind of tidies up the wires. So they're not all kind of just running freely. They're stored up in the back there. I don't know if Brandon can get a little closer and show you against on the wall. But also this cubby can also drop out the floor. So if you have like a Blue or Red Arc system, there's more space here to put a larger power station. So that's brand new in the 2024s. I did want to show you guys, let's step outside for one more second before we look at the cable gland. The awning on this thing. So this one's tucked in here tight, but we have a little blooper on this one, but this is really cool because I can show you guys a little secret. So Kamek is the new awning we're using on the Scouts. It's going to be mounted below the windows. Okay, so that's super nice, easy to get to. Right here, my face take in and out. Even when it goes up a little bit higher, it'll still be easy to use. But also on this one, we've got a secondary bracket. So this one has a bracket for a batwing awning or another awning that you want to use, but it has both brackets on it. So this was actually a little glitch. But it's kind of cool because this customer will be able to move their Kamek awning from the top or bottom or vice versa, or they can switch to a batwing awning that goes around the back. So now they got both options on this camper to do that, and it kind of shows the difference between two setups. So let's go back inside and show you guys this cable gland. The big things with Scout is, always continuous improvement, making better every year. So I'm going to grab this camera and we'll take you guys for a little tour onto the roof. And right here, we have this cable gland. So this is the new way, no more Goopa caulking and stuff like that. Nice gland, tidy, clean. And it's going to keep the water out. So you have no clearance lights on this Yoho. It's just the wiring gland for the solar panel. You have one hole on your roof. It was the other models, like the Kenai or the Olympic. You'd have your LED light bar running through there as well. But that is the main features on the 2024 Scouts.